This indicator is easily one of the most powerful trend tracking tools ever created on the TradingView platform. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, from adding it to your chart, customizing the settings, understanding the signals, combining it with the trend filter, and finally using it in real chart examples so you can see exactly how it performs. If you truly want to improve your trading with clarity and structure, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, because every step connects to the next. All right, traders, let's dive right into the setup.
Step 1. Add the buy-sell indicator. Begin by opening your chart on TradingView. Go to the Indicators tab and type buy-sell signal into the search bar. Select the version created by the author shown in the video thumbnail so you are using the correct script and logic. Once added, the indicator will automatically display buy labels, sell labels, and 2 EMA-based trend lines. These elements form the foundation of the strategy, but in its default form, the signals can be too sensitive and create extra noise. Before relying on any of the signals, it's important to tune the settings so the indicator responds more smoothly to real trend movement. The indicator should now be visible on the chart, showing both EMAs tracking short-term direction. At this stage, you don't need to interpret anything yet. The next steps will refine the behavior of these lines so they support cleaner entries. Open the settings panel of the indicator to prepare it for the strategy. Inside the Style tab, remove any visual clutter that isn't necessary for decision-making. Hide extra graphics, labels, or symbols that distract from the EMAs and the buy-sell tags. Adjust the colors so the 2 EMAs are easy to distinguish, and increase line thickness slightly if the chart looks too faint. The goal is to create a clear, readable workspace where you instantly see trend direction without processing extra noise.
How the buy-sell indicator works. The logic is simple. Buy condition. You only consider buy entries when a buy signal appears. Price is above both EMA lines. A bullish candle confirms the move. This tells you the market is in a short-term upward trend and has momentum behind it. Sell condition. You only consider sell entries when a sell signal appears. Price is below both EMA lines. A bearish candle confirms the move. This confirms price is in a controlled downtrend. At this point, the indicator already looks useful, but trading based on signals alone can lead to false entries, especially during choppy conditions. So we add a second indicator to filter out low-quality trades.
Step 2. Add the Regime Filter Trend Filter. Open the Indicators tab at the top of the screen and type select the version created by the same author shown in the tutorial or thumbnail so your signals match the intended behavior. Modify the settings for cleaner signals. Open the indicator's settings menu to optimize both visibility and signal behavior. Style tab adjustments. Inside the Style tab, remove anything that adds clutter or distracts from the core functions. This includes disabling optional features, clearing extra labels, and adjusting colors so the chart remains easy to read. Increasing line thickness slightly can make the EMAs more visible without overwhelming your chart. The goal here is to create a clean, simple visual layout where the signals and moving averages stand out clearly. Inputs tab adjustments. In the Input section, make important changes that improve responsiveness while reducing whipsaws. Change from 20 to 21. These subtle adjustments help the EMAs track genuine directional movement rather than reacting to every tiny price fluctuation. This makes buy and sell labels appear only when momentum shifts in a meaningful way. Leave all other settings as they are, since the default structure works well once the EMAs are refined.
Buy setup. Full conditions. A buy setup only becomes valid when all major components line up at the same time. Each condition serves a purpose, filtering out noise and confirming the direction of the move. Buy signal appears from the buy L indicator. This provides the initial trigger, letting you know momentum is shifting in the bullish direction. Price must be above both the fast and slow EMAs. This confirms that the market structure is aligned with the signal. When price sits above the EMAs, you're trading with the short-term trend instead of against it. Regime filter line must be green. This tells you the overall environment is supportive of buys. Green means strength, stability, and conditions where bullish trades statistically perform better. A bullish candle must form to confirm momentum. This is the final confirmation that buyers are stepping in with actual strength. It keeps you from entering just because a label appeared, ensuring price action agrees with the signal. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward target to keep trades balanced and consistent. Your stop loss goes at the recent swing low, giving the trade enough breathing room while still protecting your capital.
Sell setup, full conditions. Sell signal appears from the indicator. This is your initial trigger that the market may be shifting into bearish territory. It alerts you early to fading bullish strength and rising selling pressure. Price must be below both the fast and slow EMAs. This confirms the short-term trend is already bearish. When price is trading under the EMAs, rallies tend to fail and sellers usually remain in control. Regime filter line must be red. The regime filter shows you the broader market environment. Red indicates risk-off conditions, weaker sentiment, and a higher probability that sell setups will play out smoothly. A bearish candle must form to confirm momentum. This is the final green light. It proves sellers are actively pushing the market down instead of just creating a temporary signal. Waiting for a bearish close helps avoid false entries and choppy sideways movement. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward target to keep trades balanced and consistent. Your stop loss goes at the recent swing low, giving the trade enough breathing room while still protecting your capital.
The regime filter and buy-sell signal setup is extremely effective because it removes noise, it avoids counter-trend trades, it identifies high-probability entries, and it keeps your trading clean and structured. If you're tired of random indicators and confusing setups, this combination is one of the best places to start. If this tutorial helped you, like, comment, subscribe for more trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.